All right, let's keep going, guys. Here's my navel orange. This was recently up potted as well. And I'm so sorry for that dog. That is not my dog. It's the neighbor's dog. I apologize. I know they can be annoying when you're trying to enjoy a peaceful garden tour. There's my little cutie. Hi, Chesty. And before we continue in the garden, I want to show you guys here. I have a tree tucked in here. And this is my 4-in-1 peach tree. As you can see, the peaches are doing fantastic. Oh my god, I'm excited. Last year I harvested quite a handful, and that's tucked in a container in this corner behind our trampoline. And I just most recently redid up, I guess gave it a facelift, this landscape. I made it look a little bit more appealing because it was looking pretty ugly and sad. It was a project under $200. I'm going to be posting that here pretty soon.